Heddi mae artistiaid sydd wedi cael eu comisiynu gan Oriel Myrddin wedi dod i ymweld â ni yma yn Amgueddfa Cymru i weld rhywfaint o elfennau o'r casgliad ar gyfer eu gwaith ymchwil nhw.
Today's been amazing. Having the opportunity to have a look at the pieces in person has been brilliant. We've asked 6 makers to respond to the contemporary collections as part of the National Contemporary Art Gallery for Wales. These will be dotted about throughout the town of Cardigan.
Mae'r artistiaid wedi cael cyfle i wneud bach o waith ymchwil ar-lein drwy Celf ar y Cyd. Mae yna dros 45,000 o wahanol weithiau celf yma yn y casgliad yn Amgueddfa Cymru, ond maen nhw yma heddi i weld y gweithiau celf yn fyw, gyfle i'r artistiaid i gael gofyn cwestiynau, cael gwybod am hanes y gweithiau celf, ble maen nhw'n cael eu storio.
Seeing the work in person is just a completely different experience. You see things that probably would never make it to exhibition as well. Flecks of paint moments, little nails that fall out of sketchbook. Things like that which sort of give a behind the scenes insight into how things develop into final pieces.
Almost overwhelming with all sort of the imagery and the mark making and the different colours, and seeing it in person, being able to walk around it, look at it from different angles. It's just really exciting. It brings lots of new ideas to mind.
They'll go away, process and then come up with some fantastic ideas for how to respond to the collection.